Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Krishna Agarwal. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Krishna. And आज हम बात करने वाले हैं किस बारे में बात करेंगे. कल मैं बात कर रहा था कि मैं क्या क्या चीज़ों के कारण वीडियोस नहीं बना रहा हूँ. Now I guess I'm gonna talk about when I had actually look at my video. I started wondering कि यार I can speak. That's not a problem. So I don't find it difficult to speak in front of the camera, or I don't find it unusual when I'm in front of the camera that whether I will be able to speak or not. So that's one thing. The second thing which I realized is the editing part. I didn't do much of the editing in the video which I recorded yesterday, but I do realize the fact that yes, I can do a bit of editing also. That is also not an issue, and that is something which can be taken care of. In fact, you won't believe it, guys, that I do have some basic know-how in Adobe Premiere Pro, but when it comes down to Final Cut Pro, I was really or completely naive, or I would say new. Like I didn't know how to use it. I just knew the basics, how the timeline functions and all. After recording the video, actually, I had a look at a tutorial video of Final Cut Pro and how the things can be edited in Final Cut Pro, and I learned that for 1.5 to 2 hours. I worked on my video which I recorded yesterday for 1.5 hours on editing that video, and I figured out how to go around and do work in Final Cut Pro. So it was a good learning experience that way, and I figured out how to do editing. So now when I once recorded the video, I actually realized how to do editing in a certain software. Now you guys must be wondering, if I do know Adobe Premiere, then why is it I have to learn FCP and all? See, the idea is pretty simple, because I have a MacBook, and in MacBook it is much easier to do the editing on Final Cut Pro, I mean when it comes down to the performance, than on Adobe Premiere Pro. So I wanted to learn something new, and I wanted to experience that performance and the speed which Final Cut Pro gives, and yeah, basically I learned, and there is no harm in learning something new. So that's what I figured out yesterday, and it was quite easy. Just, you guys know, like the performance was super cool compared to Adobe, but Adobe has its own features and Adobe has its own pros and cons, but I'm not going to get into those things. The idea is that I recorded a video, I went back to my computer, I learned that how to record the video and how to edit it on a new software, but that could have only been possible once I have recorded that video. So that's one thing which I did. So I've already told you about that. I learned how to do the talking part. Like I feel, I mean, after recording the video, I feel okay, yeah, I can speak in front of the camera, which I've heard from a lot of my friends and some of my acquaintances and strangers also, that it's kind of difficult. So I feel it's okay for me that I can talk in front of the camera. I mean, I don't find it so difficult to do it. So that's the another part. Third part, if I would be talking about in terms of lighting, I guess I'm clearly visible to you guys, and that's much more than enough for me. If I am clearly visible, that's what all is required, because the idea of recording a video, when it comes down to recording somebody clearly, is that they should be visible, unless it is some other way or some other video where it is not required, which I'm not going to get into again. And I did check my voice, so I was using this small mic, and I feel the voice is pretty decent with the price of the mic which I am using right now. It's an omnidirectional mic, and that is also working fine with the given price and with the starting of this channel in terms of making a video and learning how the things progresses over a period of time. As far as background is concerned, I am still trying with different backgrounds, but I guess background is none of the concern which should stop a person from making a video, because a background could be plain, a background could be like this, where there is a guitar, there is this punching bag, there are some frames, photo frames this side, and yeah, so it doesn't matter. But the idea while recording it, I mean, while recording a video, in the background, the idea is it should not distract too much. Like the audience should not get distracted too much. If they won't be able to look at me, look at me and listen to me, and they are getting distracted to look at something else, then they will lose their attention. And in this given time when attention has become such a rare thing, that to focus, to keep yourself focused, like the attention span is already reducing so much, given the fact that now when you look at TikTok videos and all, the attention span is of 15 seconds, 10 seconds, that's it. And if something is going in the background, thug, 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 you won't be able to even focus on what I am saying, how am I saying, whether my voice is clear and all. So it puts a lot of pressure on the person who is watching at the same time, that if there is a lot of distraction at the back, and it could be anything, too many colors, too many things, etc. So I believe I'm doing decently in that, and that's fine working for me. So I've covered up talking in front of the camera, I've covered up editing, then I've covered up my background. Now if I have to talk about in terms of content, okay. So I was wondering yesterday, like, what is it I'm going to talk about today? And trust me, I had no idea what I was going to talk about even before switching on this camera. Like, I'm just wondering what could be the topic I could choose which I can talk about, but then I just said, let's just see, let's just start the camera and roll the camera and let's say action, and let's see how or what is it I feel like talking about from my experience from yesterday to my experience what it has been today. Because I definitely feel the fact that I did something yesterday by recording one video at least, and that's the same thing which I am doing today by recording this another video, and not being worried about whether I can go wrong or I would be making as many mistakes as possible, because I am totally fine with it. And when I say I'm totally fine with it, it's not because I'm saying, some psychologists would say he is saying too much of fine, etc. and all those things because he's seeking validation. No, it's not the idea that I'm seeking validation, because I am not. That's all I could say, because if I start giving more explanation about it, then again it would be considered, the more explanation I give, the more and more validation I'm seeking. But I'm just sharing my experience here, that I'm okay going wrong, and this is about me only. Like, I was feeling that I need to be a perfectionist in something, so that doesn't matter according to me. So I'm totally fine with that fact. And so yeah, coming back to the content which I was talking about. So I was thinking about what should be the content. Content could be something which is you can go on for a long term, like in terms of what is it in particular that you can talk about in 100 videos, in 200 videos, or maybe for years you can talk about. And I'm still working on it, but I guess over a period of time I'll figure that out. And if I can't figure that out, I'll start talking about the process to figure out the content, or how the content could be figured out. So that's one thing. And so again, I'm going to repeat this, which is talking, editing, my background, and what is it I was talking about, the last thing, which was the content. And if I talk about the sound is also sorted, so when I say sorted, doesn't mean sorted, but it just means that okay, it is working out decently in terms of listening with the given price of the mic which I am using. And yeah, it has been a good experience. I'm happy about the fact that at least, rather than thinking about something like, let's say, thinking about recording a video for so many days, and if I would have to say, if I have to backtrack in like when this idea started, which was maybe years ago, and finally when I am here in front of the camera without an idea and still feel like talking about my experience about not having an idea, which is also fine, I guess. I mean, at least it's some kind of progress which I could notice in me in terms of taking an action rather than just thinking about it. I mean, there are three things which I always believe and I always think exist, which is, one is your knowledge, second is your understanding, and third and final thing is your application. You know about something, you understand about something, but it's the application which makes the difference. But I would say it's a loop. So a loop of three things, like 1, 2, 3. It's a loop. So you learn, you understand, you apply, or you apply and then you go back and learn something and you understand and then you work upon. So this is a loop which can go in either of the directions, but the idea is simple, that application is important. Because my mentor says this thing. I mean, he doesn't believe that he is my mentor, but I just believe, like, I listen to this guy and I believe with the fact that when so he asked me one day like the simple question, he tell me, Krishna, do you think if a guy who's sitting next to the pool or like around the pool or somewhere near to the pool, and he would be reading all the books in the world on swimming, and he took around, let's say, year or two, or maybe he was super fast, super intelligent like a robot or something, and he read those books in 10 days or maybe a month. I'm just giving you a hypothetical situation here. Would he be able to take a jump in the swimming pool and will be able to swim better than a guy on the first day? I'm saying better than a guy who is already learning swimming by being in the swimming pool rather than just reading the book about it. So it's good to know, it's good to gain knowledge, it's good to have understanding about things, but at the same time it's of paramount importance to apply things. Till the time we don't put things in applications, they are just ideas in our head, and ideas could be perfect, they could be like fairy tales, etc., but it doesn't work out that way. It's your idea is your idea in your head, you have to put that idea into action. Unless you are in Matrix where there is a chip, something is going back in your head, and they put a chip and then you finally learn swimming and now you're better than Michael Phelps. I don't know, it's Philip, but yeah, that swimming world, Olympic swimming champion for that matter. So yeah, so that's another thing which I believe is really important, and that's what I'm trying to do here, rather than having the knowledge about something that okay, I know, but knowledge is one thing. I believe knowing about something more than knowledge, it works when you put those things into application, because unless there is an application of something, the things are not going to happen the way they are going to happen. So with that in mind, I believe I've shared a couple of things today about the things, and I have no idea about the content where it is going to come from, but I believe let me work on the things and let me share my experience, and in this journey only maybe I will be able to figure out my content, or this journey could be just figuring out the content in itself, and that's what I would be sharing with you guys. So it's lovely talking to you, all the people. I know it's one-way communication, but if you feel like asking any of your questions, you can write down in the comment. And if you have anything to say, you can please say it in the comments. I mean, I have got not many followers yet or many people on my channel who have subscribed, so I would not be that busy, and I would try to reply, not try, I would actually reply to each and everyone if I could. And yeah, if you want and if you like, you can subscribe to the channel, you can like this channel, you can press that bell icon to keep getting my updates, and comment also. You can share it with your friends. That's all I could say for now, and I hope to see you tomorrow soon with a big smile on your face and a big smile on my face. So मौज करते रहो यार, rest, everything will be taken care of. Chalo guys, cheers, bye bye.